What's up? My name's Justin. I teach tips and tricks in the party rental industry. Today I'm going to show you how to keep your tents clean and dry at the same time and save you a whole bunch of money and effort in cleaning them for no apparent reason at all. So it's been raining for a few days, and if I were to take this tent down while it was still wet, then I'll put it away and it'll just grow a whole bunch of mold on it and it just gets dirty and nasty. So the key is leave it up an extra day. It's been 2 days and it's 81 degrees, so now this tent's dry instead of being soaking wet, and then you have to go and pull it out and clean it or pull it out and dry it. Just leave it up for an extra day. Call the customer. I always put in my contracts that there's a variable on what day we pick it up. It's all based off weather, and there's a reason for it. We don't want to take down wet tents unless you have to. And if it's going right back up, go ahead and take it down wet. Also, I don't know if you see the tarp there. Put tarps down when you're taking down your tents. It's going to keep them cleaner and they're going to make them last longer. Hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for some more tips and tricks, and definitely join that monthly newsletter.